Hello and welcome to Catherine's Garden. Well, I want to take you around so you can see these beautiful tulips that I planted last year and have come up, and they are late blooming tulips, Avaron and Purple Lady. In the beautiful sunlight, these late blooming tulips have opened up. They almost look like peonies or cabbage roses. I purchased this from Costco last year and planted them in the bed. And they came also with these purple ladies, tulips. I put in the bed also these coleuses. And I think this combination is just absolutely beautiful. It has been raining so much for the last couple of days, and there really hasn't been that much sunlight, but today the sun is out, and so now these blooms have decided to open up and show us their full beauty. I love the richness of these purple. They're called Purple Lady. I'm so glad that I planted these tulips in this particular bed so that I can see this right away. Truly, it is beautiful. Let's look inside the tulip and see what it looks like inside. Do you see the coloring? It's almost like a yellow interior, the underbelly. Very nice. Now back there is my rose bush, and I have these purple alliums coming up with the dianthus. But for right now, on this day, it's the tulips, the last of the tulips. I'm so glad that I'm able to capture them before it's all over. But there's plenty of other things to come up. I also planted these beautiful tulips over by my apple trees, and they were from Costco. And the names of them are Just Kissed and Mistress. These that you see here are called Mistress, and they are late blooming tulips as well. This is just looking so beautiful. When the sun comes up and the sun is shining, then the tulips open up their blooms and you can look right inside. That's where all of the action is for the bees and the butterflies. Not the butterflies, the bees and all the other insects. Isn't that nice? Look at this.